Hi, and welcome to Module 1 of your Tinkercad journey. When the Wright brothers were creating their flying machines, they thought in terms of components. So that's like pieces that fit together from other working machines. So think of a bicycle, right? You already have pedals and chains and sprockets, and those are separate components that can go into something else. Every great designer starts by experimenting, exploring, and learning how tools work together. So if I want to write my name in here, right, nothing too fancy about that, looks good, and there's my name right there. This wouldn't be a desktop organizer unless we had a way to like hold pens and pencils. And now I can take this and adjust it because that is where my slot is going to be, this highlighted area. Now I want those scissors to be somewhere around something like that. We need to size this for a cell phone, right? So I want a cell phone to rest right on top of here. All right, yeah, I kind of like that. Let's get started and begin bringing your ideas to life.